Welcome, travelers. Embark on a journey of discovery and delight as we traverse the vibrant landscapes of Southern California's coastal regions. From San Diego, we head north through Los Angeles to Ventura's Foster Park, discover Ojai's charming allure, and then visit Lake Cachuma's tranquil waters. Heading north from San Diego, we traverse the bustling streets of Los Angeles, where honking horns and stop-and-go traffic set the stage for our upcoming adventure. Though not our favorite way to travel, the city driving is a necessary evil. Things start to ease as we pass through my old haunts in Agoura, California. Moving away from urban sprawl, we're greeted by the peaceful farmlands of Camarillo, offering a comfortable shift in our surroundings. And catching sight of the 33 North, we know our campground is just a short distance ahead. Along the way, we encounter an off-ramp scene of a very recent accident, a stark reminder to stay vigilant while driving. Thankfully, it seems there were no serious injuries. The exit to Foster Park is a bit unique. It's best to approach it slowly for a smooth entry. For this trip, we chose dry camping at Foster Red Mountain, the first of the two campgrounds you'll encounter here. If you're traveling with a moderately large rig, the first few sites, like ours in Site 2, are ideal. We'll drop a link to our 360-degree virtual tour of both campgrounds in the description. Site 2 features a small clearing in the tree canopy, which allowed our solar setup to work better than we initially expected. Starting the day off with coffee in hand, we're off to explore Ojai, a quaint and charming town nearby. The drive to Ojai from our campground is a quick 15-minute journey, passing through beautiful forested areas. Ojai, nestled in a picturesque valley, greets us with its artistic vibe, historic charm, and peaceful atmosphere that's quite welcoming. We enjoy a leisurely stroll down Ojai's main street, soaking in the lively energy and scenic views about us. We're drawn to the Ojai Valley Museum, notable for its mission-style architecture. Its unique bell tower with stairs that intriguingly lead nowhere catches our interest. A trellis-covered walkway offers a nice break from the sun, providing shade as we explore. Walking down the main street, we enjoy browsing through the nice shops, with no specific plans, just enjoying the moment. We come across the majestic oak winery, which looks interesting. The patio, sunken below ground level, offers a unique setting. This winery looks too good to pass up, so we decide to do a tasting. The tasting room impresses us with its clean stone and brick construction and tasteful artwork. It's a beautiful day outside, so the room is empty, but it seems like a great place to relax during less favorable weather. They offer a variety of snacks and, of course, a selection of wines for purchase. By the time we're ready to leave, the patio has filled up with other visitors enjoying the day. The wines were all very good. My favorite was the Petit Verdot. Try it out if you're in the area. On the way back, we decided to check out a campground that we had passed while we were driving in. Camp Comfort is another Ventura County campground, a sister to Foster Park where we were staying. The campground seems to be a mix of day use areas, full hookup spots, and possibly some spots for dry camping too. It's a bit more cramped in than Foster Park, but its close proximity to Ojai might make it a convenient spot for a night or two. We notice a small creek running behind some of the spots, adding a nice touch, and there seems to be several hiking trails starting from here as well. We'll put a link to this park in the description for those of you who might want to check it out. Now let's head back to the campsite. Later that day, the kids came up and we visited Dad. He lives by the ocean, so while I stayed back and cooked, the rest of the family walked across the street to the beach. The beaches don't appear to be as busy up here as they are down in San Diego, at least not from what we've seen. But they are pretty and they regulate the temperature nicely. I don't even think Dad has an air conditioner. They must have heard the dinner bell ringing. The next day, after the kids had taken off, it was just us again. We decided to go on a hike. With a spirit of adventure, we embark, revisiting the familiar yet always mysterious Foster Park Bowl, an amphitheater etched in our memories. Our path is a tapestry of vibrant greens, a testament to nature's revival after generous rains. Around us, Foster Park whispers tales of yesteryears, through its aged structures standing as silent witness to the passage of time. The canopy above, a mosaic of oak leaves, creates a serene forest ambience, enveloping us in nature's embrace. Our trail, a little wilder than in years past, is accompanied by a babbling stream, a melody to our journey. New obstacles meet us on the path, unfamiliar rocks and traces of the trail reshaped by the harsh winter before. We decide to forego the bowl this time. The thickening vegetation and the persistent hum of mosquitoes guide our choice here. Foster Bowl, with its echoes of the past, stands secluded. Once a hub of melodies, now it rests in silent dignity, its stone structures a testament to bygone eras. It's like a journey back in time, this exploration of Foster Bowl, and we do recommend it for any of you out there who are interested in echoes of the past. As twilight descends, we return to our campsite, welcoming the evening's cool embrace and the comforting glow of our campfire. Reflecting on our stay here, it's clear it has surpassed our expectations. Reuniting with Dad and having the kids join us has ensured this visit will be fondly remembered. Lacking a disposal facility here, we set our course up the road to utilize the amenities at Lake Cachuma, our next scenic checkpoint. Exiting Foster Park is straightforward. It's been another great camping trip. Traversing along the coastline, we're captivated by the ballet of wispy clouds, the mesmerizing blues of the ocean meeting the sky, and the serene rolling hills that dance in the sunlight. With plans to return to Santa Barbara in the not-so-distant future, today's passage is brief. However, we will seize the moment to soar above, capturing the essence of this place through the eyes of the drone, offering a bird's eye perspective. Let's get back on the road now. Lake Cachuma awaits us just a stone's throw away, promising a drive as delightful as the destination itself. Though we've never camped at Lake Cachuma, its allure has beckoned us for years as we passed it on our coastal voyages up the Golden State. While camping isn't in our stars this time, Lake Cachuma presents an ideal haven for an afternoon of work surrounded by nature's splendor. The tranquility of the campgrounds, especially on a Monday, offers a serene backdrop, an escape from the bustling world beyond. There's a certain magic here, with Lake Cachuma nestled like a gem amidst the embracing arms of the mountains. Born from the necessity of human ingenuity, Lake Cachuma, created in 1953 with the Cachuma Dam, stands as a testament to our ability to harness nature, serving the growing needs of Santa Barbara County. Home to almost 500 campsites, this haven offers a blend of full and partial hookups, along with the communal areas. They have yurts too, which is handy if you're meeting somebody who doesn't have a camper. Popular among boaters and fishermen, the site boasts a restaurant which we didn't get a chance to try, but they also have a dump station and we did try that. While peaceful today, a Monday, one can tell it's going to get pretty busy here on the weekends. In recent years, California's drought has left its mark, but this year's generous rains have rejuvenated the lake. It looks pretty full to me. Today, Lake Cachuma serves as more than just a picturesque stop. It's a serene office for an afternoon, complete with amenities and a modest day use fee, a gateway to the natural world. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We're going to conclude this chapter here with a promise of more discoveries in Solvang coming up. Thanks for watching.